Ladies and gentlemen, Kobe is here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how can you create your own logo and put on a beanie or put on a snapback. Woohoo! Intro! First of all, I just want to tell you that it's not a sponsored video. I just texted this company like, yo, I just want to make my own snapback and make a review about it and make a video about the whole process. So if you have a discount code for my viewers, I would really appreciate that. And I got it. So if you stick to the end of the video, I'm gonna put it somewhere and you can use it for your own beanie, snapback or tracker or whatever you want. So now just open up the Photoshop. Once you've opened Photoshop, just click on Create New and then just create a custom preset. For my logo, I use the 9.22 width and the 9.22 height and name it for logo and hit create. Firstly, you have to turn this white background to transparent. For that, hit the lock button and then create a new layer and just delete the first one. And now I'm just gonna show you how I made my logo and you can just create yours. What I did, I chose this ellipse tool, so I make a nice round back circle like that. Just move it to the center, apply the transformation, then create another layer, do the same just with a different color. I'm gonna use white this time and apply the transformation. Bloop. So I already got the basics. Now I need a smile. I'm gonna use this smile here. Just drag this down and drag this on the picture. Adjust the size and just remove the corners. Then I put some letters as eyes. For the optimal review, I'm gonna use O and R. And now just tweak a little bit. And I use the round bracket as an eyebrow. Like this. Apply the transformation. And you're ready to go. I won't create the same, I just want to show you how I made it, because it took a long time. Once you're satisfied with the result, just click File, Export, Export As. You have to make sure that the format is PNG with transparency. Click Export All. Choose the destination, make a file name as logo, click save, just open up the picture and you're done. Now you can use this on a beanie, a snapback, a t-shirt or whatever you like because you've done it. Now just open up your browser. Ecosia is a Google alternative search engine. I'm using this every day. It's a non-profit company who are using ads to planting trees all around the world, and they planted 50 million trees already, so I highly recommend to check this out. So now just go on hatstore.co.uk, click on custom made, choose your product. Just choose whatever you like. I like this heather gray black snapback. Just find your logo, what we created. I'm gonna use my own. Hit open and hit upload. Once you've done it, you're gonna get preview about your logo. Hit OK. Make sure that it has a transparent background, but you can modify the colors here. I'll just leave it as it is. You can use your logo on different places on a snapback. In the front it's £13 extra, and the back left right it's £8 extra. And once you're happy with it, just click add to basket. At the end of April you can use my custom discount code. Just put optimal review 15 at the voucher code and you're gonna get 15% off from your purchase. And I'll give you your details and just hit buy now. When you're finished, you're gonna get the receipt and now we just have to wait to get the snapback. Just arrived. Oh, look at this. Papers. Oh, look at that. So this snapback is authentic Yupong. Yupong. Yupong! Take this out. So now I'm gonna try this. To be honest with you guys, I don't like it straight. I might ruin your world, but I don't, so and a little bit like that. I think I like it. Thank you Hatstore for this beautiful snapback. I'm very happy with this. If you guys want to create your own, just use my discount code to get 15% off from your purchase. Compared to my beanie, the logo seems very similar, but probably the quality of the snapback of the beanie is gonna be a lot more cheaper. If you're low on budget, I would definitely try this and a couple different possibilities on eBay or AliExpress. I'll put a couple links in the description. But if the quality is very important for you, I would definitely recommend this company, the Hatstore. So that's it folks, thanks for watching, thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe, because I'm celebrating after every subscriber.
We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long, we're gonna dance.
And this is how can you create your own snapback. Peace out!